Hey, I'm Kenny Soto with Fusion Firearms. We build custom 2011s. We have our first iteration. This is a Glock Mag 2011, 4140 bar stock steel on the side. Runs on 70 series parts. So your 70 series parts, slide release, safety, trigger, grip safety. 17 round Glock mags, best feature of all. No expensive $60 2011 mags. $15 mag and you're up and running.
Nice.
This is our second offering. This is the XP Pro Comp. Hasn't come out yet. We'll be releasing in about a week and a half. Same build material as the XP Pro, except this is the comp version.
Nice.
We have a special bundle going on with this right now, where if you buy the XP Pro Comp, we will include a monoblock for you guys to shoot competition. And also it comes with 2 extra mags for a total of 4, magazine extension, and the tactical holster. This will be releasing in about a week and a half. Start seeing them in people's hands roughly Monday, Tuesday of next week. Buttery smooth. Amazing trigger. Better reset.
Tell us about your company.
Well, the company was started by Bob Serva back in 2007. Bob used to run Dan Wesson and build some of the nicest 1911s he's ever seen, hand fitted. About 2022, we started designing the XP Pro. We released the XP Pro early 2024. And now we have the XP Pro Comp coming soon. And then we have a very special product coming out for NRA Show and SHOT Show. We'll be debuting it at SHOT Show. It'll be available for sale by NRA. Very exciting. I wish I could say more, but you guys are just going to have to wait and see.
I think we'll schedule a meeting with you at.
Definitely will. Let's do that. Let's do
All
that.
right. Thank you.
No problem, sir.